In this video, we are talking about types of set. First one is finite set. Look at here. A set having finite number of elements is called finite set. In a finite set, elements can be counted. For example, A equals to A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, O, comma, U inside the curly braces. That element can be counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That are called finite set. Next one is infinite set. A set having an unlimited number of elements is called an infinite set. In an infinite set, elements of the sets are countless. For example, set of whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, dot, 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 dot. We cannot count that. Next one, cardinality of set. Cardinality of set means the number of distinct elements in the finite set is the cardinal number of the set. Now, cardinal number means you have to count the set of elements. Elements of a set, that means. Look at here. Here is a set A. Elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why cardinal number of set A is 5. Cardinal number of A, cardinal number is denoted by n A, that is 5. In the same way, cardinal number of B is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is also denoted by n B, that is 4. In this way, you can find the cardinal number of a set. Now, null set or empty set. Null set means a set having no element. A set having no elements is called null set or empty set. For example, set A equals to triangles with 4 sides. There is no such a triangle which contains 4 sides. That's why that is empty set. That is also denoted by 5. The next one, boys studying in Padma Kanya College. B equals to that empty set or null set because no boys are there in the Padma Kanya College. Singleton set now. Singleton set means set having only one element. Set having only one element, that is called a singleton set. Those type of set which contain only one element that is present in the world in only one number. For example, A equals to set of Mount Everest. It has only one element, that is called singleton set. Okay. We are in exercise now. Exercise number 1.3. In your book, page number 10. First number. Identify whether the following sets are finite or infinite. Finite we can count, infinite we cannot count. Number A, set A equals to 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is finite. Finite. Number B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is also finite. Set B is also finite. Number C, 2, 4, up to 20 and 22 and dot 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 up to infinity. That is infinite. We cannot count that. Number D also 1, 2, 3, 4 dot 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 dot. That is infinite. We cannot count that. E number, a set of prime numbers less than 20, that we can count the prime number less than 20, that are, what are the prime number less than 20? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 19. Yes, we can count that. That's why that is finite set. Okay. A set of even numbers. There are a lot of even numbers in a set of even numbers. That's why we cannot count that. That is infinite. Now G number. G. Set G equals to a set of numbers having 5 in ones place, that is also infinite. Okay. Number 2, we are going to find the cardinal number of the following sets. Cardinal number of set A, and A is equals to 1, 2, 3. And N equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In number C, set C is equals to X such that X is an odd number less than 10. That means odd number 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These are the odd numbers less than 10. And cardinal number of C, that means NC is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. F number. Apple, orange, mango. 1, 2, 3. And F, that means cardinal number of F equals to 3. A set of even numbers less than 15. What are they? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. A set of even numbers less than 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cardinal number of E. And E equals to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, number F. A set of prime numbers less than 10. Set of prime numbers less than 10 means 2, 3, 5, 7. That is NP equals to 4. Now, a set of the letters of the word commerce, that is NL is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number H. A set of letters of the word mathematics. NM is equals to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. We are discussing number 3 now. In number 3, list the elements of each of the following sets and identify whether the following sets are finite or infinite. If the sets are finite, find their cardinal number. Okay. A set of odd numbers less than 15. Yes? A set of odd numbers less than 15. You have to write the questions in your exercise copy as well, or exercise book as well. I am going to do 3 number A at first. Okay. 3 number A. What is written there? A set of odd numbers less than 15. A set of odd numbers less than 15. Here, solution right. A set of odd numbers. You can denote the set of odd number notation by O. less than 15 means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, isn't it? Yeah, this is finite set right here, because we can count the elements of a set O. Now cardinal number of O, that means NO is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. This is the answer of number A. In this way, we should do number B. A set of even numbers between 20 and 35. A set of even numbers between 20 and 35. I am going to do roughly here. You have to do it fairly in your exercise book. Like that. Okay. A set of even numbers between 20 and 35, that means you should denote by E equals to even numbers mean 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32 and 34. This is the finite set. And cardinal number of E, that means NE is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next one. A set of even number greater than 10. A set of even number greater than 10. That is infinite set. Infinite set. A set of numbers less than 15 having 6 in the ones place. Okay. You can denote by H. Set H. Set H means set of numbers less than 50 having 6 in ones place. 6, 16, 26, 36 and 46. These are the numbers less than 50 having 6 in the ones place. 6, 6, 6, 6 and 6 in the ones place. This is the finite set. Finite set. And cardinal number of H equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Isn't it? In number 4, state whether the following sets are null sets or not. Number A, 0. That is not a null set. Not. Number B, yes, that is null set. Number C, yes, that is null set. Men over 300 years old. There are no such a men over 300 years old. Next one is people more than 10 feet tall. Yes, that is null set. There is no such a people who are 10 feet tall or more than 10 feet tall. Even number less than 10, not. That is not a null set. A set of odd number divisible by 2, that is not null set. A set of whole numbers between 4 and 6, that is not a null set. Null set means what? Empty set. Okay. State with reason whether the following sets are singleton sets or not. That is A is singleton set. Yes. Yes, it is singleton set because in this set there is only one 4. There is only one element, that is 4 is present. Number B, that is not a singleton set, because to be singleton set you have to be at least one element in the set. Number C, S, that is singleton set. Number D, this is empty set, there is nothing. That's why it is not a singleton set. Number A, a set of longest river in the world. Yes, that is singleton set because there is only one longest river in the world. Number F, a set of even numbers. That is not a singleton set. There are a lot of even numbers. Now in this video, again, we are going to discuss 1.4 as well. That is set relations. Equivalent set. Look at the definition. Two finite sets A and B are said to be equivalent if the number of elements of both sets are equal. That is, NA, cardinal number of A equals to NB, cardinal number of B. Look at here. Cardinal number of A is 1, 2, 3. Cardinal number of V is 1, 2, 3. That's why they are equivalent. Here, set A has 3 elements and set B has also 3 elements. Okay. Next one, equal sets. Equal sets means what? Two sets A and B are said to be equal if the elements of the both of the sets are same. That means that set A and set B are said to be equal if the elements means inside that these are the elements of both the sets are same. That is, elements of both the sets are identical. Identical means similar. The symbol used for equality of the set is the usual sign equals to. Okay. Look at here. A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 here and B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 here. There are equal number of elements and identical as well. Okay. That's why they are equal. Now we are discussing exercise number 1.3. Identify whether each of the pair of sets given below are equal set, equivalent set, or neither. Equal set, equivalent sets, or neither. Okay. Number A, they are 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. Equal number of elements and identical as well. That's why it is equal sets. Number B, set of natural number less than 5 and set of letters of the word apple. Neither. Number C, A equals to 2, 2, 7, 1, B equals to 1, 2, 7. That is also neither. There is no such a condition to be equal or equivalent sets. Number D also neither. Number E, letters of the word T and letters of the word EAT, they are equal. Here is also TEA, here is also TEA. Or you can say that here is also EAT, here is also EAT. Okay. Next one, A equals to this and B equals to letter of the word Mississippi. That is neither. G number, letters of the word remember and letters of the word member. That is also neither. There is no such a condition to be equal sets and equivalent sets as well. Number 2, if A equals to set of natural number less than 10, that means set of natural number less than 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. B equals to x such that x is a natural number greater than 10 and less than 20. That means 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Find NA and NB. NA 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. NA equals to 9. NB equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. Are A and B equivalent? Justify your answer. Yes, they are equivalent because they contain equal number of elements. They contain equal number of elements. Okay, third number. Are A and B equal sets? Justify your answer. No. No. Because they are not identical. They are not identical. Okay, because they are not identical. Now number B. Look at the number B. A equals to 2, 3, 5, 7 and B equals to x, so that x is a prime number less than 10. What do you mean by x is a prime number less than 10? That means B is equals to 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the sets of the prime numbers less than 10. Find NA and NB. You can find easily. NA is equals to 4 and NB is equals to 4. NA means cardinal number of A, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 from here, and NB equals to cardinal number of B, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 from here. Are A and B equivalent set? Yes. Are A and B equal set? Justify your answer. Yes, they are equal. Yes. Because they are identical. At last, 3 number. If A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equals to A, B, C, D, E, C equals to W, X, Y, Z, D equals to set of odd number less than 10. D equals to what? Set of odd number less than 10. That means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. E equals to empty set, F equals to 4, 3, 2, 1, and G equals to letter of the word mathematics. G equals to what? Letter of the word mathematics. M-A-T-H-E-M-A-T-I-C-S. Mathematics. Okay, find NA, NB, NC, ND, NE, NF, and NG. You can find that. That means cardinal number of A 1, 2, 3, 4. NA equals to 4. NB equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. NB equals to 5. NC equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. NC equals to 4. ND equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. NE equals to empty set. There is no NE equals to empty set. There is no number. NF equals to 4, 3, 2, 1. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And NG equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. NG equals to 11. Which pair of sets are equal? Which pair of sets are equal? That means A and C. That are equivalent, not equal. Which pair of sets are equal? That means equal. Look at here, equal. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4, 3, 2, 1. A and F are equal. Set A and F pair are equal. Which pair of set are equivalent? Equivalent means 1, 2, 3, 4. This one and this one. A and C are equivalent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B and D are equivalent. And F and C also. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. F and C also equivalent. Okay, they are the equivalent.